Today, we will explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have some experience, this will be a helpful overview of this revolutionary technology. We will trace the journey of cryptocurrencies from their inception to contemporary trends and applications. Hey, welcome to the ride through the world of cryptocurrencies. What is it exactly? Well, cryptocurrencies are like digital cash, but with a magic wand called cryptography. They're something like alternative money that isn't controlled by any government or bank. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? So, why have all these digital coins become so popular in the last few years? Well, there are a couple of reasons. First, you don't have to hassle with banks because cryptocurrencies are decentralized. That means there's no big shot holding all the strings. Instead, everything happens via the blockchain, which is like one mega secure transaction ledger that everyone can see. The second reason is speed. With cryptocurrencies, money can be transferred faster than light, almost. No matter where you are in the world, you can shoot crypto from here to there in a matter of minutes. And best of all, you don't need a bank as an intermediary. Like, how cool is that? Then there's the investing story. Now, we won't lie, cryptocurrency prices can be crazy. But many have struck it rich riding the crypto waves, buying when prices were low and selling when they soared. That's called hodling or trading, and hey, it's becoming quite popular. Lastly, but certainly not least, cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of technological innovations. Blockchain, that cool technology behind most crypto, isn't just for money. It's used in a bunch of other industries, from logistics to healthcare. And do you think that's all? Well, it isn't. Wait until you see what else it can do. So, that's the gist of cryptocurrencies and why they're so hot. There's a lot more to explore, so stick around for more adventures through the crypto universe. Let's go! So, what do we actually want to achieve with this video? Well, we want everyone watching it to gain a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies. No philosophizing or complicated terms, just a simple explanation that everyone can understand. Don't worry if you haven't known anything about cryptocurrencies until now. We're here to help you change that. We want everyone to feel like we're sitting together for a coffee, discussing these things like old friends. So, grab your favorite snacks and get ready for a light and enjoyable journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a tech genius or a total novice, this is the place where you'll learn the basics and be ready to dive deeper into this exciting topic. Let's get to work and embark on a journey through the crypto space together. Here we are at the next stop on our journey through the crypto jungle. Now it's time to break down that famous secret. What are cryptocurrencies actually? Cryptocurrencies are, in simple terms, digital money. But wait, don't think they're just regular dollars or euros. No, cryptocurrencies are special because they use cryptography, which deliberately puts crypto in their name, to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. So, how does all this work? Well, it's all based on something called blockchain technology. It's like a huge, virtual ledger that records all cryptocurrency transactions. And it's not a ledger that someone keeps with them, but more like an open book for everyone to see. And that's what makes cryptocurrencies so cool and different from traditional currencies. With traditional currencies, like dollars or euros, we have central authorities that control them, like banks or governments. But cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means there's no big boss holding all the strings. Everything is in the hands of the community, which makes them quite free and independent. And that's just the beginning. Cryptocurrencies are like the new Wild West in the world of money, with lots of adventures and unexplored territories. But don't worry, we'll go through all of this together. Now that we've gained a basic understanding of what cryptocurrencies are and how they work, we're ready for further adventures. Let's continue our crypto expedition. Now that we've covered the basics of cryptocurrencies, it's time to see how this magical digital money is used in practice. Get ready, because this is going to be quite a ride. Transactions are the fundamental way cryptocurrencies are used. Just like sending money via a bank account, you can send cryptocurrencies from your digital wallet to another user's wallet anywhere in the world, anytime. Without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors, cryptocurrency transactions can be fast, cheap, and efficient. Now we're stepping into the world of crypto trading. Cryptocurrencies have become popular as an investment opportunity. Many people buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum hoping that their value will increase over time. Of course, such investments come with their risks, as cryptocurrency prices are known for their volatility. But for many, it's a risk worth taking. Cryptocurrencies have changed the game when it comes to sending money across borders. Instead of relying on slow and expensive bank transfer services, you can simply send cryptocurrencies to your friend, relative, or business partner anywhere in the world. This is especially useful in countries with unstable financial systems or high money transfer costs. These are just some of the ways cryptocurrencies are used in everyday life. With the rapid growth in popularity and acceptance, we're sure to see more innovative uses of cryptocurrencies in the future. Let's stay open to new possibilities and explore all that this fascinating technology has to offer. Now that we've entered the world of cryptocurrencies, it's time to delve into one of the most important concepts in that world, blockchain. Don't worry if it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, we'll explain it all in a simple way. So, what exactly is blockchain? Well, imagine it as one huge, digital ledger where every cryptocurrency transaction that has ever occurred is recorded. Each of those transactions forms one block, and when all those blocks are linked together, we get a chain, hence, blockchain. But what makes blockchain so special are three key principles. Blockchain is a decentralized system, meaning there's no single central authority controlling it. Instead, all transactions are verified and recorded by a network of users, known as nodes. This means there's no need for intermediaries like banks or governments, making the system more transparent and resistant to censorship. All data on the blockchain is publicly available and verifiable. This means anyone can see all transactions that have ever occurred, regardless of the participants or the amount of money involved. This transparency is crucial for building trust in the system. Blockchain uses advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure the integrity and security of data. Each block in the chain contains the hash value of the previous block, creating a link between them. This makes the blockchain resistant to manipulation or data theft. So, that's blockchain in a nutshell, the heart of the system powering cryptocurrencies and making them so unique and powerful. With its decentralized nature, transparency, and security, blockchain is a technology that promises to change the way we work and think about finance and the internet. Now that we've scratched beneath the surface and understand the basics of blockchain, it's time to grasp why this technology is so important for cryptocurrencies. So, why is blockchain crucial for the success of cryptocurrencies? Well, to understand that, we need to revisit the fundamental purpose of cryptocurrencies, creating a decentralized and secure way to conduct transactions. And that's where blockchain comes into play. Thanks to its decentralized nature, blockchain allows cryptocurrencies to operate without the need for a central authority like a bank or government. This means no censorship, no downtime, no delays. Just a clean, uninterrupted network of transactions operating 24/7. But that's not all. Blockchain also ensures transparency of every transaction that has ever occurred. This means anyone can review the chain of blocks and see every transaction, fostering a high level of trust in the system. And then there's security. Thanks to its advanced cryptographic protection, blockchain ensures that data is secure and untouched. Each block is linked to the previous one, creating a chain that is difficult to manipulate or alter. So, without blockchain, cryptocurrencies wouldn't be able to exist in their current form. This technology is the heart and soul of the crypto world, enabling them to function in a way that is transparent, secure, and decentralized. That's why understanding blockchain is crucial for anyone looking to delve into the world of cryptocurrencies and experience their benefits and possibilities. With this knowledge, you're ready to explore the depths and breadth of the crypto space with confidence and assurance. Bitcoin was created in 2009 under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it has become synonymous with cryptocurrencies and has had a huge impact on the financial world and the technology industry. But what exactly is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a digital currency based on blockchain technology. It is used to facilitate secure, fast, and inexpensive transactions worldwide, without the need for intermediaries such as banks or governments. One of the most fascinating features of Bitcoin is that it is decentralized. This means there is no central authority controlling Bitcoin. Instead, transactions are verified and recorded by a network of users known as miners, who use powerful computer resources for this purpose. Another important characteristic of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There is a fixed number of Bitcoins that will ever be issued, 21 million. This supply limitation makes Bitcoin deflationary, meaning its value can increase over time due to growing demand. Bitcoin is also known for its volatility. Bitcoin prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period, making it attractive to investors, traders, and speculators. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin has become a symbol of change in the world of finance. Many see it as an alternative to traditional currencies and a hedge against inflation. With its innovative approach to decentralization and transparency, Bitcoin has opened the doors to a new era of digital money and inspired the emergence of many other cryptocurrencies. Thanks to its impact, Bitcoin has remained at the forefront as the king of cryptocurrencies. With its simple yet revolutionary idea, Bitcoin has changed the way we think about money and paved the way for the development of new technologies and business models. What actually makes Ethereum different from Bitcoin? Well, while Bitcoin provides a platform for digital currency and transactions, Ethereum takes it a step further. Ethereum serves as a platform for building decentralized applications, known as dApps, and the development of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing scripts that automatically run when certain conditions are met. This means we can create contracts that execute themselves, without the need for intermediaries or third parties. Ethereum enables the creation of these smart contracts on its platform, opening the door to many new applications, including insurance, financial services, gambling, and much more. Additionally, Ethereum supports the development of decentralized applications, dApps, which operate on the same decentralized infrastructure as the Ethereum blockchain. These applications can vary widely, from financial services and trading platforms to games and social networks. What connects them all is that they are decentralized and independent of central authorities. Ethereum's ability to support smart contracts and decentralized applications represents a significant step forward in the world of blockchain technology. This opens the door to many innovative ideas and projects that can change the way various industries and social processes function. Thanks to its revolutionary approach to blockchain technology, Ethereum has become a key player in the world of cryptocurrencies and beyond. Its flexibility and ability to adapt to different needs and requirements make it an important tool for developing new technological solutions and innovations. With Ethereum, the only limit is your imagination. While Bitcoin and Ethereum may be the most well-known representatives of cryptocurrencies, the world of digital currency is much broader and more diverse. There is a whole range of other cryptocurrencies, each with its unique characteristics, functionalities, and goals. Let's explore some of the most popular among them. Ripple is a cryptocurrency that focuses on facilitating fast, cheap, and secure international payments. Its protocol enables instant transactions worldwide, making it a popular choice for banks and financial institutions. Litecoin was created as a faster version of Bitcoin, with shorter transaction confirmation times and a higher maximum coin supply. While used for transactions like Bitcoin, Litecoin is often considered the digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. Stellar is a money exchange platform that enables fast and inexpensive transactions worldwide. It focuses on facilitating financial access for people around the world, especially in developing countries. Cardano is a platform for building decentralized applications and smart contracts. It stands out with its research-driven approach and a focus on security and scalability. Polkadot is a platform that enables interoperability between different blockchain networks. This means that different blockchain networks can communicate and collaborate with each other, contributing to the flexibility and efficiency of the system. These are just a few examples of other popular cryptocurrencies, but the world of cryptocurrencies is much broader and more dynamic. There are hundreds of other cryptocurrencies, each with its unique characteristics and applications. Exploring these different projects can be a fascinating journey through the world of digital currency and blockchain technology. Who knows what the future holds for the development of these new digital means of exchange? At the end of this video, we hope you've gained insight into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. However, this is just the beginning of your journey into exploring this dynamic topic. Cryptocurrencies are an area that is constantly evolving and changing, with much more to be explored and learned. Therefore, we encourage you to continue learning and exploring this fascinating subject. Thank you for taking the time to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies with us in this video. In order to continue providing quality content and supporting the growth of our channel, we need your support. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful, please press the like button to give us feedback and help us better understand your interests. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about all our future videos on cryptocurrencies. Subscription is free and allows you to stay ahead in the world of digital currency. If you think your friends or family members might be interested in this topic, please share this video with them. Your recommendation can help raise awareness about cryptocurrencies and inspire others to explore this fascinating field. Your support is crucial to the growth of our channel and contributing to the spread of knowledge about cryptocurrencies worldwide. Thank you for being part of our community and supporting our work. Greetings from the CryptFin channel team, and see you in the next video.